Self-care day. Guys, you gotta take care of your hair, skin, and nails. I got a text.
Hey Michel, Emma here. I'm really curious about collagen. I hear it's really good for your hair and for your skin, and I really want to start incorporating it into my diet, but I have no idea where to start. I was hoping you could give me some tips or some recipes on how to cook with it. Anything that you could give me would be greatly appreciated, so thanks.
I have the perfect recipe for her. What if you could get healthier hair, skin, and nails by drinking a milkshake? Well, it's possible. My friend Emma wanted to incorporate collagen into her diet, so I created this recipe for her. How we're gonna be doing that is using collagen powder or collagen peptides. Usually collagen's kind of hard to get into your diet, but this makes it easy. You could buy this at a store. It's tasteless, odorless, so easy to throw into things. Collagen does a lot of good for your inside and your outside. On the outside, it helps your hair, skin, and nails. On the inside, it supports your liver, amongst other things. So I'm gonna be adding this into our blender first. And before I add the rest, you can check out my ingredients. For our milkshake, we have banana, cashews, coconut cream, nut milk of choice, maple syrup, vanilla bean paste, and collagen powder, and topped with fresh cherries. All right, I know you just saw, but I want to touch base on a couple of the ingredients we're using. Once again, the MVPs, vegan cooking, cashews, makes everything so creamy. Then a nut milk of choice, you can do almond, hemp, anything you want. Coconut cream. This stuff is gold. It makes everything so rich. This is what tricks people into not knowing that it's vegan. Usually you can find this in a can, and usually the international aisles of a grocery store. Sweetener of choice, I'm using maple syrup. Some vanilla bean paste because this is a vanilla milkshake. Gotta make sure it all gets in there. And one of our secret ingredients here is frozen bananas. That's gonna add some sweetness to it, as well as give it another layer of creaminess. Creamy is the goal here. And then ice. I'm just gonna give this a blend. It's that easy. Before I pour this though, I wanna wait for my friend Emma to taste it, so while I'm waiting for her, check out my pretty healthy tip of the day. I learned the hard way that when I don't prep my food, I often reach for the easy foods, which is sometimes unhealthy. So I'm gonna show you a quick way to prep some produce to easily add into a smoothie or a milkshake. What we have here is a banana, avocado, and kale, and it's so easy to just cut these things up. So for a banana, all you do is you take it and you coin it, and you freeze these little guys. They end up like this. They make any milkshake or smoothie so creamy. Make sure they're right before you freeze them. You want them to be sweet. Next, avocados. Avocados are a magical fruit. All you gotta do, cut it in half, quarter it, then you could peel off the skin just like this, pop it in a bag as well, and since it's so luscious and rich, makes any smoothie a decadent dessert in my humble opinion. And then lastly, kale. It's so easy to just grab the stem and pull the leaf off, throw that into a bag as well, and it keeps so long in the freezer. There's several benefits to doing this. First, when you freeze your produce, you're making sure it stays fresh so you're not wasting any of your money. Second, when you freeze it at its peak, the nutrient density is the highest. And third, since it's frozen, it makes your milkshakes and smoothies so thick and creamy. And you can add in that spoonful of collagen too. This is my friend Emma who wanted to incorporate collagen into her diet.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited to be
Good.
here.
I created this recipe just for you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go ahead and pour it up for you.
Oh, yeah.
It is a collagen vanilla milkshake.
Ooh.
Who knew being healthy could come in a form of a milkshake?
Yeah, I was not expecting
Do you
a
like whipped
milkshake.
cream?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
good.
Thank you.
Might overflow a little bit, but that's a great problem.
Yeah, beautiful.
Cherry, because
Oh my
that's
gosh.
classic. For you.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Oh my
Tell me how you
goodness.
like it.
Oh my God, that's so good.
Is it? Can you taste the collagen?
No, not at all.
See, it's
That's
so
delicious.
easy to incorporate into anything. You can
Yeah.
put it in your smoothies, even water, oatmeal, like
Really?
anything. Yeah.
I didn't know you could put it in a water. Cool.
Just dissolves.
Wow.
Yeah.
I really want to try incorporating it more and definitely more milkshake. So,
There.
oh my God. And where do I get collagen that I can use in food?
You can find it at health stores like Whole Foods, also online, super easy to find.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's so easy to make healthy milkshakes, and a milkshake is the perfect vehicle for something like collagen, which makes us beautiful not only on the outside, but also on the inside. Is it Emma approved? Mm-hmm. Yeah, shout out to collagen.